Makgeolli Pork Belly. That looks fantastic.
Welcome to Covert Fam. I'm Keith Covert and this is Casey's Kitchen. Today I'm going to do a treat for you. I'm going to do a fusion dish melding Korean flavors into a pork belly braising with crackling top. Something similar to what Gordon Ramsay would do, but I wanted to bring in the local flavors of radish and carrot, ginger, garlic, and some of the other flavors, meld that and make something special. You're in for a treat. Something you and your guests will truly enjoy.
Okay, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is slice through the pork. Nothing like pork belly. I know you's Odyssey's out there's mouth is just a watering. Here we go. Slicing just through the skin, not too deep. Sharp knife is good, so just be careful. Don't cut your fingers. Here we go. About every half inch. I'm going to turn it 90 degrees and make a diamond pattern across the top of it. And this comes out when it cooks. It's so beautiful. And right across, you can see. Beautiful. Beautiful. I like that. Using about 475 grams of pork belly. Enough for 2 servings or 2 plates. Not too much. There we go. Now I'm going to rub in some kosher sauce. Make sure you get it down into the crevices. Not only does it season the pork, it also crisps the skin. Perfect. I'm going to now take a look here. See the diamond pattern? Very beautiful. All right. My mouth's watering already. I'm going to set it to the side, get my pan working. Okay, now I'm going to dice up my radish. Cutting little squares. It's going to be beautiful. And it stays together. It'll actually incorporate into our sauce at the end. Move. Ha! Perfect. Look at these. I think one more slice ought to do it. Okay. Be careful. Sharp knife. Through the move. Beautiful. This is similar to turnips in the U.S. So this radish is beautiful. I've been eating this all my life. I'm going to dice up the carrot. Making it about the same size of the radish so they cook evenly. That's important. There we go. One more. Okay. Now my onion. Just going to quarter it. It's too easy. It's a very forgiving dish. There we go. There. And 2. Okay. Now, garlic. Put as much as you like in there. I put 4 cloves. They were a little smaller, so perfect. Rough cut some celery. There we go. And some ginger. Perfect. Now, that's my vegetable mix. Okay, I'm putting the cooking oil in the pan. Get my pan hot. Hear that sizzling sound? Wow. You got to be patient here with this step. You don't want your skin to stick to the bottom of the pan. Now mine's stuck a little bit. I'm going to work it up with this very thin spatula. It's a pitch spatula, so it works really great for this. Here we go. Almost. Be careful. Perfect. Okay, I've got it. I'm going to set it to the side. Wow, see? Got 2 pieces stuck there, so I'm going to scrape that out. All right. All right, I'm going to add my vegetables to the pan. Hot pan. Oh, it smells great already. Yeah, get them all in. Make sure you make plenty of room there. Wow. You can actually smell everything starting to boil with that pork fat that's already in there. All right, get it spread out. Add a little fennel seed. Unbelievable. That smell just, wham, hits you. It's unbelievable. Put my pork on top, flip it over. I want to add some more fennel seed and get them down into the crevices of this pork. Perfect. You can smell it already. It's unbelievable. A little more. Great. Okay. I'm going to add the makgeolli. Wow, what is that? Oh, that steam comes off of there is just unbelievable. The fragrances, the smells, it's fabulous. Let's see if I can burn it off a little bit. Nope, it will not flambe, not enough alcohol in the makgeolli. Okay, and I'm going to add my chicken stock. And I want to add enough stock to bring it right below the skin level because I want that skin to really crisp up. I'm using an unsalted chicken stock. Now, perfect. Now see, bring it up. And that's what's going to create the sauce. A little salt and pepper. Okay, perfect. All right. Now I'm going to add a couple of bay leaves and some star of anise. Okay, I've got my 10-inch brazier working with my pork, my makgeolli. Oh my God. And this is not the hele kind. This is the kind you don't drink, you eat. It's unbelievable. Perfectly matched with this pork belly. You're going to love this dish, I guarantee it. Now I'm going to start with this. We got all of the vegetables in there working. I'm using the Korean radish, the carrot, putting those Korean flavors in there along, did I say makgeolli? I did. I certainly did. And it's not the hele kind. So if you don't drink it, you'll enjoy it when you eat it. I guarantee you. Now, let's slide it in the oven. Okay, time to make the magic. Makgeolli pork. Bye-bye. All right, I'm going to get this thing working at 180 degrees for 2.5 hours. And I'm going to tell you, it goes for 2.5 hours, but at the 2-hour mark, what I want you to do is open it up and look at it, see how it's cooking. If you need to, you can take and cut a little piece of aluminum foil and set on top of it loosely, and that'll keep from over browning the top. Now this dish is going to be truly unbelievable. Makgeolli pork. Just think about that in your mind. Let's see. 2.5 hours later. Is it magic? Is it? Oh my God. Unbelievable. Okay. I'm going to take it out, put it on the board, and let it rest. It looks fabulous. Okay, I'm going to remove the bay leaves and the star anise and the ginger and get my sauce to working now. All the time that the meat is resting. There you go. See these colors on top? They're really going to make a beautiful sauce. You'll watch this darken up really easy. Got my vegetables one side, fire on. Take some bread and get the oil off the top. This removes just about all of it. Just leaves enough for flavor. Okay, get that out. I think maybe one more piece and I'll get the rest of it. Yeah, perfect. All right. Okay. Now I'm going to remove the vegetables. Get those out. I'll be using those as a garnish or really a side dish. It'll be perfect with this pork. Those flavors of makgeolli and broth and stock. All the herbs and spices. Smells fantastic. Okay. There we go. We got most of it. Give it a little stir. Wow. Yep. Add a little more makgeolli. This is not the hele kind. This is the eating kind. You're really going to like this. I'm going to cook the alcohol out of this. You can see it. It'll start bubbling and steaming up. We'll get every little bit out of there. Wonderful. And it smells fantastic. Wow. The sauce is almost done. Okay, I'm going to slice our meat now and get it ready for plating. Now the groove I cut in the top makes it an easy line to carve and looks perfect. Looks like a Christmas tree on the dish. And I'm telling you, it smells great. Got a little bone in it. We cut right through. There we go. Perfect. A couple more cuts. Can you hear the skin? I'm telling you, I can't wait. I really can't wait. I'm going to taste it. That's just it. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hey, who cooked that? Me. Let's finish the sauce. Okay, I'm adding about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Yeah, perfect. And this also acts as a thickening agent for my sauce. You can see I continue to reduce it by letting it simmer or boil a little bit to get that liquid out of there. And you have a very, very flavorful, beautiful sauce. Look at this. You should smell it. And we'll put our meat on the dish. A little bowl of rice. And add that unbelievable stock. That sauce is fabulous. A little piece of parsley. A couple of fennel seeds on top of my rice.
I'm going to pick it up and taste it. Oh my God.
Awesome job.
I miss that sexy smile